Hey everybody, welcome back for another video, and today we're going to talk about the Ratrod again. And you'll notice I got the garage cleaned out somewhat. The Ratrod is out in the driveway. Let's go here and take a look.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
I've got most of the subframe all welded up. I got a little bit more to do in the front. I got all the major body lines in place where they need to be. I mocked up the roll bar the other day and put this bar across for it to sit on. And yeah, I'm gonna get that all welded in. Put a couple extra supports in there. Here's where the back piece is gonna sit. The back of the roll bar just tacked in so it has a position. I mocked up this dashboard. This came out of the motorhome. This is too much of an angle. I gotta cut it here and bring it down a little bit so it's more of a, sitting at the right angle, more like that angle there. That's almost straight up and down there, which might be the thing because this seat's gonna be low anyway. But I'm gonna be working on the trans tunnel. I got that crossbar and a couple uprights done, and that's basically where the trans tunnel is going to be. But let's go take a look at that real quick.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Alright, there's the trans tunnel. I'm going to use the fenders. So that'll be in a video that I'll make when I get out of work. I'm going to set that up and work on that indoors because it's supposed to be raining all day. So yeah, most of the stuff in this garage is for the Ratrod. All the materials laying around, most of it. And then I got the engine for the next Ratrod. I'm going to try and incorporate this generator into this Ratrod, as well as some batteries and solar panels. Maybe a welder. I don't know. I don't know the theme exactly yet. I'm still trying to figure out what I want that theme to be. We might go with a bug out theme. We might go with a bug out theme, might go with a Punisher skull, like you see over here in the star. Let's see what other themes, and maybe you guys can give me some ideas. So bug out, military, some sort of thing like that. Overlanding. I want to use it as a long haul overlanding type of rig where you can just hop in, go, and it's self-sustaining vehicle, kind of like a truck camper sort of thing. Expedition, maybe a tactical theme. I don't know. You guys give me some ideas, and maybe shoot me some emails or pictures of what you think I might or what I should use as a theme. So. Well, anyway, I guess I got to head off to work, get back, and I'll work on this trans tunnel. Probably do a time lapse on that because it's just a lot of fiddling around. And yeah, we'll get that set in place and see what the next step is. Which I think after the trans tunnel, we're going to cut the body loose from the frame and slide it forward and get it into position so that I can see the final position of the firewall. Because then the firewall will be the next thing to build. Again, I'm trying to get it to the point to where I can transfer all the wiring harness from the existing location on the motorhome chassis over to the new firewall and dash of the Jeep. So we'll hopefully get that here pretty soon. Alright, thanks for watching.